Today, I'll be showing you a quick way to make this stylized polygon fur coat. Let's get started. This is how it looks like in 3D space. Add a plane with loop cuts and adjust the vertices. You can add a mirror modifier and subdivision surface to help shape the robe. Enable the on-cage view to view the modifiers in edit mode. Cool! Once you're done shaping the robe, add a solidify modifier and tweak the settings a bit. You can play with the creases to make the edges sharper. Duplicate the robe and press P to separate the outer edges. We only need this outer edge, so delete the rest. Convert the outer edge to a curve and take this time to rename your objects. Since the solidify modifier was applied to this outer edge as well, you can delete the extra vertices. Next, create a round cube and change the radius to 1. Note that you need the extra objects add-on enabled. Add an array modifier and crank it up like crazy. Ooh! Add more subdivisions for the displace modifier after. Create a new texture and change it to clouds. Adjust the settings so it looks fuzzy like fur. Create a curve modifier and set a curve object to the curve we prepared earlier and scale it down. Note that these objects need to have the same origin location. If they are misaligned, simply copy their location with the copy attributes add-on. Alternatively, you could hold down Shift S to snap the cursor to the curve's location and snap the fur object to the cursor. Finally, tweak the settings a bit and voila! Add a cute ribbon and a simple shader. You got your fur coat.